Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the pet grooming world. If you're on the lookout for the best cat brushing tool, look no further. We're here to discuss the Aumuca cat brush with release button. This brush promises not only to tackle shedding but also to provide a delightful grooming experience for your furry friends. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this product a must-have for every cat owner. The Aumuca cat brush is designed to cater to cats of all fur types, whether long-haired, short-haired, or even curly-haired. Its unique stainless steel bristles are crafted to gently remove loose hair, tangles, and dander while promoting a healthy and shiny coat. One of the standout features is its skin-friendly massage needles, which come with rounded rubber tips. These ensure a soothing grooming session, making it perfect for even the most sensitive skin. But that's not all. The brush's ergonomic handle is crafted from durable plastic, ensuring a comfortable grip while you groom your pet. Plus, the brush is lightweight, so you can easily manage those longer grooming sessions without straining your hand. Using the Aumuca cat brush is a breeze. You simply brush your cat, and once you're done, you can easily clean the bristles with the one-click cleaning button. This feature is a real game changer. With just a press of the button, the shutter pops out, separating the brushed hair from the bristles, allowing you to wipe it off effortlessly. This means less time cleaning and more time cuddling with your feline friend. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The Aumuca brush is made from high-quality materials. The bristles are 1.2 times thicker than those of other de-shedding brushes, ensuring they're sturdy and long-lasting. The 150-degree bent needles are ingeniously designed to penetrate deep into the coat, making it easier to groom your cat's undercoat effectively. And if you're worried about your cat's comfort, rest assured. The soft, rubber-tipped bristles massage your pet's skin without scratching, allowing for a pleasant grooming experience. After all, grooming should be a bonding moment between you and your pet, and this brush ensures just that. The Aumuca cat brush is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or take on the go. Whether you're at home or traveling, this brush is convenient and practical for your grooming needs. In summary, the Aumuca cat brush with release button stands out as the best cat brushing tool for several reasons. Its professional-grade design, user-friendly features, and commitment to your pet's comfort make it an essential item in any pet owner's toolkit. So, if you're ready to elevate your grooming game and ensure your cat looks and feels fantastic, check out the Aumuca cat brush. It's not just a brush, it's an investment in your pet's health and happiness. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews on pet products and more. Until next time, happy grooming.